my name is Carla and I am going to talk about my evidence number 1 that talks about anti-corruption in Mexico. We are going to talk about some questions where I will answer it, and that's my video. At the end, I am going to put some images related with the topic. The first question says, why is it important to prevent and combat corruption? For me, fighting corruption is very important to see an improvement in the economic, social, and political sphere, since honest participation is needed for the elaboration of some projects. How does democracy contribute anti-corruption, and how does anti-corruption strain democracy? Well, for me, democracy is very important, and a very clear example is the elections, whereby having the participation of the entire population and a representative can be elected. But if not everyone votes, there may be spheres where corruption enters. Talking about the question number 3, what is needed to prevent and combat corruption? I think that the most important thing to combat corruption is that all people are related to the subject in order to give our opinions regarding the subjects. For the fourth question is, how does SNA contribute to anti-corruption and what are its limitations? How would you improve the SNA? Okay, I think that for this question, the National Anti-Corruption System coordinates social actors and for the different levels of government in order to prevent, investigate, and push against corruption. Okay, the next question says, what role or roles does the citizen play in the SNA? Would you propose to promote more citizen participation in the SNA and in anti-corruption? Okay, for this question, institutional efforts are units that are supported by transparency and accountability seek to strengthen the trust of citizens and institutions within a framework to promote legality and good practices. Now for the last question, that say, why can corruption and anti-corruption be approached from a single disciplinary perspective? Economic, social, political, legal, etc. I think, well, for me, all are important, but the three most important are economic, political, and social, because it will be a living aside of many of consequences that corruption brings it. Corruption covers several areas and just not one. You need the solution of all these